Nakauna rito on an error from PNP tungkol po na ng Cagayan Valley. Yan na naman yung magic serve nitong si Soraya. And Jonella is having a bad day.
And she's not the usual hyper libero that you see running all over the court and diving. Now medyo matamlay eh.
Tama kasi slot mo, baka na hangover pa kay Raisa May. Ikaw nag-guess ka na ba kay Raisa May dati? Hindi pa ba? Yun. Serve that goes very far para dito kay Francis Molina. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Ito na naman yung mga errors coming from PNP na kanina second set, yun yung nagpatumba sa kanila.
Alam mo, no first set, 2 errors lang po ang PNP against the 8 of Cagayan Valley, kaya nila nakuha yung first set. Here is Sang Muang off the block at hindi na naman maabutan niya ng likuran. When at Eulalio, of course, wala dyan si Jonella now. Ngayon pa lang papasok ulit si Jonella. Again, the best time to attack the back is when the libero is not there.
The best time to throw it to the back row players.
Pero yung libero, kahit sino naman ang pwede niya palitan na sa backline.
Yes,
not necessarily middle lang kailangan niya palitan. And Marciano could not save that.
A lot of people may ask, bakit yung gitna ang pinapalitan?
Usually kasi yung pinakamabagal, di ba?
Yes, kasi sila yung talagang pinakamatatangkad sa team.
Pero I've seen also sometimes, ikaw ba pinapalitan ka rin minsan ni Gohin sa likuran?
Pinapalitan ako ni Gohin kasi mas magaling sa akin dumepensa si Maranyo. So, kung sino talaga mas magaling dumepensa, wala talaga akong receive. Yun ang hindi ko natutunan pagdating sa Lazaro, yung pag-receive ng bola.
Pero, nagta-top 5 ka sa digs. Bakit ganon?
Sa digs, kaya ko.
Bakit ka ganon? Mas mahirap yata yung digs kaysa sa reception, ha? Here is, Tabakero.
A lot of power in that open spike.
The twin, good reflex. Here's Davi right now from behind. Soraya ngayon. Ayan na yung back row attack na naman ni Tipachot.
Mapa frontline, mapa backline. Basta si Tipachot, score yan.
Reaksyon natin first for Deodorant. It won't let you down. 5-3 Cagayan Valley. Natatawa na si Sang Muang sa mga kababayan niyang mga bata na nandun sa likuran. That is going to be a double touch or a net violation against Concepcion. And Bob Malena, a former Shakey's B-League referee, will now contest the call of Efren Gaa and Concepcion.
The referee said it wasn't over daw.
Pero sa inyo niya net violation.
Oo nga eh.
Si Coach Bob is like, okay, ano ba talaga tama? Tadeo, Concepcion now going to Marciano. Nice drop there by Janine Marciano.
Sabi niya kung si Angget Tabakero palakasan. Siya naman, pa-drop-drop lang. But still, that's the same point.
Ganun pa rin. You have to vary your attack. Sa basketball nga, hindi naman pwede puro dunk. Minsan lumayap ka naman, di ba?
At mas maganda kung mag 3 points ka.
Pwede rin. Soraya. Soriano ngayon. Dug up there by Concepcion. Marciano, kinaliwa. Soraya ngayon, eto na naman yung backline attack. Nice anticipation from Molina.
Napasigaw yung mga nasa back row. Yes, thank you!
And let's take a look at our slow motion replay. Brought to us by Rexona at First Spread Deodorant. It won't let you down. Ang ganda ng anticipation talaga doon ni Molina.
Yes.
Alam niyang backline attack yun.
And alam niyang high percentage din yung backline ni Tipachot.
The twin. Soraya now going to Tabakero off the block. Sang Muang is there. Davi now going to Marciano. And again a drop ball from Marciano. No coverage from Tabakero.
Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Ramia sa amin dati nung naglalaro pa ako. Na malakas man yan, mapahina lang yan. It's the same point.
Right.
So saan ka mas madadalian gumawa ng puntos? And right now, Marciano is just dropping that ball and getting the same points.
And Tabakero is attacking relentlessly pero parati naman siya nadidig. Ayan ay tira ni Marciano na malakas. Soraya ngayon going back to Anguesa open. Davi, ganda na nilalaro ni Davi pagdating sa floor defense. Sang Muang getting it across. Soraya now going to Anguesa. Third time around sa open. Wala pa rin. Eto ngayon, si Marciano sa open naman ngayon. Buys enough time for Aiza Maizo. Here's Anguesa once again. Haba na naman ang rally na to pero puro power shots na palitan. Marciano dropping it in again.
Once again, Noel.
Wow! Janine Marciano. At lamang na po ang PNP dito Lumamang na ng 4 kanina itong Cagayan Valley, and here they are again.
Marciano dominating.
Well, now Tabaquero wants to be dominant also. Of course, she is the captain of the national team. So Tabaquero ties it up at 7. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Pao Soriano. Tadeo. Concepcion. Molina. At yung tira ni Molina, blocked there by Soraya. And it's a 1-point lead para sa Cagayan Valley heading into our first technical timeout of set number 3.